All right, hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Right now, what I'm doing is I'm actually testing out the full self driving. I'm still on the old versions. I think the 12.5.4. I just subscribed to the FSD for 1 month just to test it out and see how it's going. And right now we're going to Santa Ana. It's about 40 minutes from my house, and we're about 28 minutes away. And so far it's been doing great. Actually, this before I used to set it to, I think, like just the average, but now I think I have it on assertive, so it should be driving a little more aggressive. So as far as changing lanes and not cutting off people, but you know, they're gonna make a very like a human-like driving, you know, not like a grandma, you know. But so far it's really good. The weather, it's kind of cloudy. It's not sunny in Southern California, but other than that, it's so far it's so good. You know, it's hands-free, and so far I didn't have to touch anything. And just to give a little heads up, earlier I was trying to testing out the summon, and I don't know, for some reason I was parked under my carport, and it seemed like it was going out where it's gonna hit my wall. So I don't know if I don't know why, but I got scared and I turned it off. So, but maybe later on when I get a chance, or maybe in the next video, I'm actually gonna try it out the smart summon and see if it's really smart, right? But so far, yeah, traffic flow is going good. It's keeping about 75 miles per hour. Right, we're in the carpool lanes, and it actually does all the lane changing for me. I don't really have to worry about it at all. And we're actually going a little bit, well, I wouldn't say really fast, but I wouldn't say slow. About a little bit faster than average, maybe, because we're in the carpool lanes. There's a Honda Civic behind me that just changed lane. I guess it's saying that I'm driving too slow, I guess. But I think 79, 75, around that should be okay. Right? Not too fast, too crazy. Yeah, so this is the older version, so I don't see any updates. Oh, that's the Civic that I was telling you about. It was pissed off at me. But yeah, so he's probably gonna go straight into the fast lane. That's what I expect him to. So where's the cop when we need the cops, right? Yeah, but for the graphic and everything is still the same. And I've seen it online that people with the older hardware 3 that they're getting the newer updated versions of the full self driving, you know, which is I think the 12.6, which is like the mimic of the hardware 4, right? The version 13s, but so far it's been great. I think we're about 15 minutes into the drive, and it hasn't been asking me to one time, you know, put my hands on the steering wheel at all. So it does this thing. So I think it's getting better and better. And since we're on the freeway, we don't get to see it actually follows stop sign, because I've seen on the video online where there's a bus, and then the bus put out like the stop sign in the vehicle. That is the version 13. They actually stopped for the bus completely, and then until the school bus retract the stop sign, and then it start moving forward. So that's really nice. And then hopefully when we're in the local street, I'm gonna have a chance, you know, to test out what the emergency services, like the police and the ambulance and the cyber and the fire trucks, because the last couple of videos when I did it, it ignored the sirens and the flashing and the lights, so it kept going. You know what I mean? So and I believe that Tesla is making progress on it, making, you know, updates where it will, if it sees sirens and flash red and blue flashlight, is supposed to know that it's emergency service and it should be pulling over, right? So yeah. Okay, we're back. So we're about 2 miles away, and let's see how Tesla does this, because before, your Tesla usually wait until the last minute before it's making it to the right lane, and then sometimes it's kind of scare me a little bit. And we're gonna get to see actually how it maneuvers in the local area. So we're gonna make an exit on Brookhurst, which is about 1.7 miles away. And so far, it's been doing great. You know, it's no complaints at all. Like I said, since I have it on assertive, it's pretty aggressive. It's good, very good. So the reason that I subscribe it to the 1 month trial, I just want to see, because we're going to be going to camping soon. As you can see right here on the monitor, it's going to have to make the lane and exit soon. The next exit, the one right after Magnolia. So yeah, so far looking good. So. Behind me didn't seem to really like it or appreciate Tesla cutting in front of them, but hey, if you leave a gap, Tesla will make its way in. Oh, it looks pretty good now. I think it looks like it drives more like a human would drive, like how I would drive, because I'm not gonna like wait until the last minute and then start making the exiting. That's dangerous, right? So here, yeah, it's a lot better. So that's why one of the things Tesla always make the improvement is because what if we disengage from the Tesla autopilot? There's like a little pop up, and then you can press on the little scroll button here and state what happened. So that way they can get the data and then make the improvement for the next time with the upgrades. And so right now it's exiting. There's nothing much to say. It's very smooth, very nice. And we do see another Tesla in front of us. It looks like a Model Y.
Now turn right onto Brookhurst Street.
All right. So, if you guys are watching, you guys don't know, this is where the Vietnamese community peoples are located. You pretty much, they have signs right here. Welcome to Little Saigon as well too. So, pretty much all the businesses here are Vietnamese owned. So, well, not Target, of course, but other Asian businesses. Yeah. So they have a lot of good restaurants in this area here. So if you guys want like good food, you might want to stop by over here. You see all the signs over here, like even the doctors wise, Vietnamese, I Lanet or whatever too, Vietnamese restaurants. Here you gotta be a little bit more, be careful because people are driving crazy down here. Oh, we have another Tesla to the right hand side. So 3 Tesla in a row, two white ones and a red one. No, I don't think so. We got 3 long range over here. I think, yeah. We're gonna go all the way down to Bose Avenue, and then we're gonna be making a right. So it's proceeding cautiously. Nice, right? This car is gonna make a right. Okay, we're going straight. Oh, check that out. It was hesitant. It was like, should I go or should I brake? And it actually ran a yellow light, and there's a car behind us that probably ran a red light as well. And there's another car on the right hand side, that car ran too. Hold on. This red car here kind of got upset, but who cares? You know, ran a red light, but yeah. So you can see here pretty much all of it here. Restaurant all over the place here. You can check it out. Supermarkets all over. far as braking wise, acceleration still is very smooth. The car on the right is very anxious. Red light is still already wanting to go. We're about 4 minutes away from our destinations, and that's why about 1 mile. Now the Tesla Model Y. I'm afraid this guy might cut us off. Yeah, we're pulling behind. There's a lot of Tesla in this area. I'm getting another one over here, and another one over there, another one over there. Everywhere Tesla now, right? Here we got what, pharmacy here. We got like what, my hair salon, grand opening. You can try it. Behind this liquor store, there's a Pho 79. It's awesome. It's a bomb, guys. If you have a chance, it's on Hazard and Brookhurst. The pho is really good. Tesla. Too many Tesla. Oh, there's a red one on the behind us too, on the right hand side. So as far as driving in the city, same, very smooth. I'd expect it. It's gonna make we're gonna be making a right turn soon because we're 0.2 miles away from the Bosa. And so yeah, looking good. Very, very confident. You know, I don't have to like, you know, get worried about anything. Let Tesla does this thing, drive me around. So Robotaxi can be around the corner. I think you can buy Optimus now, the robot. Oh, look at this. This, come on, Sienna, don't go crazy. Stay over there. This guy really wanted to change.
Now turn right onto Balsa Avenue.
So, okay, keep the right lane, which is nice. Alright, we're gonna be making a left turn. So, yeah, right here. Here's a good restaurant here too. If you guys want like a broken rice.
In 500 feet,
It's coming up.
turn left.
Probably gonna turn left on at the light, and then because my brother has the hardware 4, so right now he says when he started the destination, all you gotta do is just you set it and it start right away, and it takes to the destination. I'm not sure if it parked where it's supposed to, but from his driveway or from his house. And let's see if this is gonna be able to park appropriately, which I don't think so, because when you go to the business, it's really hard. Of course. To your right side, guys, if you watch like the Fast and Furious, that's where this is where they shoot the Fast and the Furious. I don't know the part 1. Oh, what is this? Look at this coffee shop. There's a lot of people here. Oh, all right. So we heard about this coffee shop here, but we haven't had a chance to try it. Maybe we'll try it later afterwards. See how it looks like a lot of crowded, huh?
I mean, it's good.
And then next to it, they have like what, like a dessert thing, cake and jam. That looks good. So here, like this is like where like the center where you want like food. You know what I mean? They have all kinds of different, dishes from every even part of Vietnam, the northern, the southern, the central. Everything's gathered here. So you can come down here and check it out and try it. They got the sandwiches on the corner right there, And you know what? They actually changed the name of the street right here. Hai Ba Trưng. Yeah, of course. So I might have to take over pretty soon because we're gonna be in the shopping plaza. They're gonna have to make a ride over here.
In
Might be a
500
little bit
feet,
tight
your
space.
destination will be on the left.
So let's see. Okay. Let's prepare to take over. Hey, wait. Oh, it actually good. Oh, I didn't do anything good. It actually see this lady. She was about to cross. Wow. A little bit dangerous here. So it's Navigation's almost about to be complete. All right, so we're here at the destination. I'm going to take over, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.